In this video, I will show you how to get started with Monica AI CoPilot tutorial. First of all, open any browser and search CoPilot. Click on the first link and the CoPilot website will open. On the home screen, you will see some templates and a chat box. This interface is of the CoPilot website. If you want to use its app, then click on the option Get the app at the top. To use it as it is, it's advisable to sign in first so that you can have longer conversations as well. Otherwise, if you use it without signing in, you will miss out some of the features. So to sign in, click on Sign In. Enter your Microsoft's account email here. If you don't have it, you can create one. As I already have it, so I will simply enter it and click on Next. A verification code is then sent on your email, which you have to enter here. Then click on Sign In. Tick on the checkbox and click on Yes. Your Copilot account will be created. You can see that now the plugins option is also available, which wasn't here before signing in. Copilot comes with a lot of features. The most commonly used one is the chat box at the bottom. You can ask questions to it. For example, if we ask it to create a schedule for meetings, lunch break, and for checking emails, it schedules everything accordingly and gives me a timetable. At the bottom of the response, there are some options to like, unlike, copy, edit, and listen it. And this green dot shows number of times you can continue this chat. After that, it will end and you would have to start a new chat. At the right side, chat history will appear. In the chat, some questions related to the conversation are available. You can also ask them. Click on New Topic from left bottom to start a fresh conversation. Let's ask a general question, and you will see that it shows related references from the Google, which are really helpful. Another feature is to analyze an image. For that, click on the image icon at the bottom. You can also add link of image, or click on Upload from this device. Select the image you want to add and enter the message that you want to ask. For example, if I ask it to tell about the image, it gives all the information. Moreover, Copilot has many other tools which you can see at right side under Copilot GPTs. These are customized assistants for their respective sectors. Then we got plugins option here at the top right side. The first one is search, which is already enabled. It performs the action of providing search results references from Google too, in addition to Copilot's own information. Next one is Suno. Click on the toggle button in front of it to enable it. It is used to create a song. Let's check it by asking to create a song on Rain. You can also check here that the results are powered by Suno plugin. In the same way, you can also go through all the other plugins.